Hi everyone, welcome to
Hello,
Hi.
the
hello.
end of week
Hello.
5. I hope we all are doing good. कुछ सीखा
Yes.
सबने. I hope progress करी थोड़ी.
Hmm.
Okay, चलो.
Yes.
So we'll just dive straight into it. We'll start with Nishita. Nishita, tell everyone what you've learned in week 5.
Hi everyone. So it was basically of Punjabi food. I tried this cuisine and
Okay.
made chole bhature.
Hmm.
So many oily food this week.
Okay.
So next week would be a little bit on diet. So to balance it. So it was easy. Punjabi food is generally easy. It's more of like a same gravy for everything. A little bit of
Okay.
change. So it was nice. This was for the week 5.
What did you cook? Chole bhature and pav bhaji and like.
कढ़ाई पनीर then
Oh.
Makki
dal
ki roti,
makhni.
sarson ka saag in
Hmm,
Punjabi.
right.
Yeah,
So,
like, that is quite famous.
Now, as winter
Okay, so
has
nice.
started, Punjabi food will run on, run so fast on restaurants and all.
Yeah, right, man. Okay, good. अरे, I wanted to ask everyone, सबकी दिवाली कैसी गई? Happy Diwali,
All
by the
good.
way.
Happy
same
Belated
to
Happy
Diwali.
you.
Diwali,
Happy
guys.
बस
Diwali.
बढ़िया. Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali.
Diwali.
सबकी बढ़िया हो गई दिवाली?
बहुत अच्छी
बहुत
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 अच्छी.
Peaceful.
हैंगओवर टाइप का है अब क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा काम था घर पे.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
It
we
was
can
it was a
understand.
tough time.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah,
During
it's
Definitely.
pandemic and this festive season.
yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, chalo, good. Nice to see. Okay, so we'll move to Nikhil now. Nikhil, what did you learn in week 5? Please tell me.
So in this week, I have all all the advanced thing I have covered in the previous week. So this week I have
Mm-hmm.
started doing post processing. There are three stages in photography to click a picture. There are firstly it is pre-production, in which we plan all
Mm-hmm.
the things, and then
Mm-hmm.
the production things came into the frame, in which we shoot the scene or the model and all scenario, and the last step which came into frame is the post processing. So in this week I have started
Okay.
learning the post processing, and in which I have learned about the color corrections and the light correction that we can do in the post. Like, not every picture
Okay.
is post process, but like mostly pictures are post process. So
Okay.
in
Great.
post processing we generally do like lighting corrections and correcting
Mm-hmm.
the colors in the images. Like sometimes we get red eye in the night shoots because of the flash that we
Mm-hmm.
use. So to correct that, and to decrease or increase the highlights of the background and things like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Great.
So, which
That's nice.
software do you use? Like, is there a particular software?
Yeah, like basically it starts with Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, and it
Okay.
for the advanced thing I will be moving on to the Photoshop.
Okay. So you do it
Nice.
on a computer, so I
Yeah,
guess,
basic.
Our
or your phone.
photographer is ready.
Yeah,
Lightroom
photographer
is
is he's like.
Lightroom is for
Photographer is
both.
ready.
Lightroom is for both, like
Okay.
mobile and PC. So it's quite handy to swap in between
Okay.
the smartphone and the laptop.
All right. So you're
Okay.
ready to click our pictures, I believe.
Yeah.
Now you're.
Photographer is
He's all
definitely
like,
ready now.
"Ab karwa lo."
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So good progress. Nice. We've all like reached to an end. Like guess. I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Whatever we are
brushing up.
doing, brushing up and the finishing and the touching up. Nice. Nice. Good to see. So, okay, moving on. Radhika, please tell everyone what you've learned in week 5.
Okay, so I switched my medium this week. I
Okay.
started with watercolors and sketching and everything.
Hmm.
This week I started with acrylics, and it was very very difficult. Like, it is a very difficult medium. I got to know this very much.
Relics.
Yeah.
What are
Okay.
those exactly?
Okay. Wait. Let me show you.
Yeah.
These are lyrical. Let's see.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
Can
I
I?
think
Yeah, I
for
got
this
it.
we need
Got
a
it.
different kind of paper.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I guess
okay,
so.
wait, let me show
It's
you
a
the paper
matty
also.
paper, I
So I
guess.
learned
Hmm.
mostly
Little bit.
about material this week. Like for
Hmm.
watercolors, we have different kind of paper that is around 300 GSM.
Hmm.
That is very different from the normal paper we use. And for
Hmm.
acrylic, we are using 500 GSM paper. It's
Okay.
very difficult to manage this media. Like if we are starting with watercolors, then it's very difficult. So if you are a beginner with painting, then you must start with acrylics and go to watercolors, unlike like me. Okay, also
Okay.
I will show you.
That's good.
I
Nice.
made this on first day,
Okay.
just basic
Nice.
one.
Like the color gradient
Hmm.
is so smooth in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And on second week, I made this.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh my
silhouette.
God.
That's
That
nice.
Oh,
is
that's a
that is
lovely
pretty good.
one.
That is lovely. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you've made tremendous progress, and what you're doing is pretty. Okay. Nice. 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 Good. So good to see. Good to see. Moving on. We'll go to Yashasvi.
Yeah.
Yashasvi, what did you do in dancing in week 5?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. As today I'm not so well, but still, I will tell you
Diwali.
that Diwali hangover. Yeah, I will tell
Hmm.
you that footwork in Bollywood dance is most important. It is a
Hmm.
dance technique, and a proper footwork, maybe proper and movement of a dancer. It just a basic. It just a big. It's important for the beginners to make their footwork definitely correct in the particular way. So I
Hmm.
just work on it, and as I already said that I share my video of my brother's marriage. So I
Hmm.
have I have my video. I'm just
Oh, okay, you do.
showing.
Nice.
Yeah,
So
one
finally, you
second.
Okay.
performed on stage.
Everyone is
Yeah,
excited
finally.
for that to
Yeah.
see you perform.
Now it
Wait.
completely slipped my mind. She would have gotten away with it अगर ये खुद याद नहीं
Yeah,
दिलाती.
Uh,
correct.
Right, right.
You look so beautiful.
Yeah.
I learned this dance from Madhuri Dixit, as I said.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this is all.
It was really good,
Wow, it's
Yashasvi.
really
Really
Like
good.
nice.
we are
Like,
It's very
able to
nice.
see that you're learning so well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
I just
I
work on
like the
my
way,
expressions and
yeah,
footwork
yeah,
and
yeah.
like hand moves. So
Hmm.
that's
I like the
all
way
I learned in
I
this
like the
week
way she
five.
used that those expressions that she learned earlier in the earlier weeks.
Yeah. Yeah, like you
Yeah.
said you
Like
learned
Definitely.
from
they were
Madhuri Dixit and it is
on
showing.
the point. Like they were on point.
Yeah.
And literally everyone was clapping for me, and it was a great moment.
Yeah,
I
yeah, they
think we
must
should
be. It
also do
was
that
really
for
good.
you.
You
Yeah,
did very
we should
well.
also, and I agree.
Yeah, we should also clap for her.
Thank you so much, guys. I
Okay,
think all
so
are doing great, right? In this
Yeah.
week five, all are just brushing themselves and just get
yeah,
perfect.
Like
Yeah,
we are giving a finishing touch to our skill
yeah,
in this way.
finishing touch. Okay.
okay, all right. So again, I think I'm left. So I'll tell everyone. So this week I picked up another song actually, and it was
Nice.
just basic strings and basic chords, and I was able to put together a little something as you all requested. So may I play it?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course.
definitely.
sure.
Very excited.
Okay. All right. I'll try my best. So there is the guitar, everyone. You won't be able to see it, so okay.
No,
All
no, we
right.
trust you.
All right. Here goes. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was
Wow.
it. That was
It's
what I was
really
able to
nice.
put together.
Awesome.
Thank
That's
you. Thank you
really
so
बहुत
very
much.
अच्छा,
nice.
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत
This
ही
was our Diwali treat for the guys.
Yeah,
I
for
guess.
sure.
Like it was sweet.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nice song taken, like Curse theme.
Yeah, cause it was Kasti. I learned it from
Yeah.
Veer Kumar on YouTube.
Oh,
Oh,
nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So that is it. That's what I was able to put together in a week, along with Diwali. So yeah, I guess we've all learned a lot in 5 weeks,
Yeah.
and this week was, furnishing, finishing, polishing up all what we've learned, and that's what the title of this week is going to be, polishing up. And for the last week, I believe, right? The last week,
Yeah.
I want all of us to present a final and a big piece of what we've learned.
Yeah,
Like put
definitely.
together
Yeah.
everything. I mean, Nishita, if you put together everything, I'll die. South Indian, Punjabi.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, next week is my birthday, and I'm going
Uh,
to perform a dance in front of my family and
okay.
friends. So definitely, I will show my video to all of you.
Yeah. I mean, birthday one should be a banger. Like
Yeah, and
do something really good.
and it's my 18th birthday, so just rock the
Oh yeah.
floor.
So
Oh,
it should be
welcome to
it
adulthood
should be
then.
special.
Yeah,
Okay, that is nice. That is nice. So all right, I guess this is it for the 5th week, and I'll
yeah,
see you guys at the end of 6th week and the final week. Okay.
definitely.
So all
Okay,
the
Yeah.
best, everyone, for
all the
preparing
Happy
best.
Diwali
whatever
week.
that it is that you are preparing.
All are
Okay,
doing
I'll
All
see
the
you
great.
best,
guys.
guys.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.